Today's homework is on a exam style question which involves solving equations. So question 1 here, we have unknowns on both sides. Step 1 is to look for the smaller coefficient. In this case, the smaller coefficient is the negative 3y. Now we need to get rid of that by doing the inverse. So we will add 3y to both sides. The reason for this is because we want to get the y's on one side of the equation. This leaves us with 11 is equal to 8y minus 5. Now we need to get the y on its own, so the next step is to get rid of that minus 5, do the inverse, add 5 to both sides. Okay, we have to keep it balanced. That leaves us with 16 is equal to 8y. So 8 times y, what's the inverse? I need to divide by 8. That leaves me with 2 is equal to y, so y is equal to 2. Okay, I can check my equation by substituting it back in to see if I'm correct. Question B. Now here we have a quadratic, okay, and if it's in this format, okay, we can solve it. One way is by factorizing. Okay, so if I was to factorize this, we use a method called the product and sum method. Okay, so here the product is minus 14 and the sum is minus 5. Okay, so the aim is to find a pair of numbers, okay, to give us a product of minus 14 and give us the sum of minus 5. Some people can work this out in their head. If you find that difficult, you can list out the factors of negative 14. Okay, so in this case the factors of negative 14 would be 1 and minus 14, 2 and minus 7. Okay, I can flip the signs because I know that will also give me negative 14. So minus 1 and 14 and okay, now I've listed all the factors. Which pair will give me the sum of minus 5? Okay, so the only pair that gives me the sum of minus 5 is this pair here. Okay, because 2 subtract 7 will give me negative 5. Okay, so now I use this pair to put into double brackets. Okay, so it becomes x plus 2, x take away 7. Okay, so if I was to expand this bracket, it would give me the equation x squared minus 5x minus 14. Now we need to make it equal to 0. So to get the solutions from here, what would x need to be in order for all the equation to become 0? So x would need to be minus 2, or x would need to be plus 7. Okay, if I was to replace x with any of them two numbers, the whole equation becomes 0. Okay, the quick way is you just flip the signs of the numbers within the bracket and it will give you your two solutions. Have a go at these questions and upload them onto ClassCharts. Thank you.